Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, your Spring Boot version and web starter dependency, because mismatched starters cause the Whitelabel fallback. Next, inspect application, properties or YAML for server, port and view prefix settings, incorrect paths break view resolution. Enable debug logging so you can watch handler mapping and view resolution messages. This shows whether a controller or template is missing. Once done, restart the app and note any 404 to Whitelabel transitions so you know where to focus next. Now you check the middle layer, controllers and view mapping. Make sure your controllers carry at controller or at rest controller, and that at request mapping values exactly match the incoming path. Small typos send requests to the Whitelabel page. If returning view names, ensure those names resolve to existing templates under resources/templates. If serving static content, confirm resources/static placement. Also verify thymeleaf or template engine configuration. Incorrect prefix/suffix stops template resolution. To finish, either supply the missing view or prevent view lookup. Set server. Error. Whitelabel. Enabled equals false and add a custom error. HTML or implement error controller to handle errors. Rebuild and redeploy so template caches and compiled classes refresh. When tests still show the Whitelabel page, read the stack trace and logs for 404 versus 500 differences. A 500 often means template rendering failed, while 404 means mapping missing. Troubleshooting tip. Use curl with V and Spring debug logs to trace request mapping and template resolution step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.